Do your hands give away your age? You've probably taken great care of your face, but what about your hands? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple and surprising ways to make your hands look younger. These easy remedies will leave your hands smoother, wrinkle-free, and rejuvenated. Ready to find out how? Let's dive in. The problem. Why do our hands age so quickly? The answer might surprise you. Our hands are constantly exposed to the elements. Sunlight, harsh chemicals like dish soap, and frequent washing. Think about it. How many times a day do you wash your hands? These daily habits cause our skin to lose elasticity and moisture. Over time, this leads to wrinkles, thinning skin, and sunspots. Here's something most people don't know. Most of us don't pay as much attention to our hands as we do to our faces. But what if you could easily slow down the aging process? What if your hands could look as youthful as your face? The solution. It's simpler than you think. You can use these 5 effective homemade remedies to rejuvenate your hands and keep them looking younger for longer. Let's start with number 1. 1. Lavender essential oil. Have you ever tried lavender oil? Not only does it smell amazing, but it's also incredibly powerful against wrinkles. Its high levels of antioxidants protect your skin from harmful free radicals, which age your hands faster. Bonus, it even helps guard your skin against UV radiation, another major cause of aging. Here's how you can use it. Mix 4 to 5 drops of lavender essential oil with 2 tablespoons of warm extra virgin olive oil. Why olive oil? It's packed with nutrients that nourish and moisturize your skin. Massage this mixture into your hands every morning after your bath, and again before bed. Feel the difference yet? 2. Ripe banana. You probably never thought a banana could fight wrinkles, right? Well, a ripe banana is a natural powerhouse for aging skin. Rich in vitamins A, B, and E, as well as minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium, it works wonders to moisturize and rejuvenate your hands. What makes bananas so effective? It's their hydrating properties that smooth out wrinkles and make your hands feel soft and supple. How to use it? Mash 1 ripe banana into a paste and apply it generously to your hands. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Try it once a day and watch the transformation. 3. Aloe vera. Ever used aloe vera for sunburn? Aloe is famous for its soothing and hydrating qualities. But did you know it's also a secret weapon against wrinkles? Aloe vera's moisturizing agents help your skin retain water, preventing premature aging. Here's the science behind it. Aloe contains polysaccharides, which stimulate skin regeneration and help smooth out wrinkles. Here's what to do. Cut open a fresh aloe vera leaf and extract the gel. Massage it into your hands and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Do this daily to keep your hands looking young and fresh. 4. Avocado. You've heard of avocado toast, but what about avocado for your hands? This nutrient-dense fruit is rich in antioxidants and has powerful anti-aging properties. What makes avocado so special? It boosts collagen production, keeping your skin tight, elastic, and wrinkle-free. Here's a simple tip. Use avocado oil to massage your hands every night before bed. Let it soak in overnight, and wash your hands in the morning. Feel the softness? It's that easy. 5. Olive oil. You may use olive oil in your kitchen, but did you know it's a beauty secret too? This healthy fat is loaded with vitamin E and essential fats that stimulate collagen production, making it one of the best natural remedies for aging hands. Want another benefit? Olive oil not only reduces wrinkles but also nourishes your skin to prevent future signs of aging. Apply a few drops of olive oil to your hands and massage for 5 to 10 minutes for best results. Wear cotton gloves after applying the oil to lock in the moisture. Surprising tip. Do this before bed every night, and by morning, you'll wake up to smoother, softer hands. Final thoughts. There you have it. 5 simple, effective ways to keep your hands looking younger and healthier. Which remedy will you try first? Don't forget, your hands need just as much love as your face does. Give these treatments a try, and you'll be amazed at the results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on natural beauty and skincare. Until next time, take care of those hands.